No matter how much we try, there will be comparisons for our children, whether they're siblings, friends, or in a classroom. And the best thing you can do for your child is to prepare them and, more importantly, expose them to different intelligences and skill sets. So that means that you constantly talk about how someone's really good at painting, someone else is good at piano, someone else is good at football, and so on. So your children understand that you celebrate different parts of different people and their different skill sets, not just how they perform at work or in the classroom. And more importantly, you tell these kids that they are good at certain things that their classmates are not, and their classmates is good at certain things that they are not, and not everyone has or is born with the same intelligences. I hope you have much luck with this, because being compared is awful. We've all been there. It hurts and it takes away your child's confidence. So I really hope you can build on their confidence and build on the fact that they are differently skilled.